Holy shit. He uploaded. So, hello, YouTube. It's been a hell of a minute because things have been happening quite slowly. However, the Haltech install is super close to being done, and I hope that is the case because I am sick of spending money on more and more parts. Quick recap of the Haltech install. We're doing, of course, the Elite 1500, the IC7 dash, PD16 power distribution module, along with looms, flying looms for all of those involved. Along with, we got Corbo seats and brackets. We're also doing the, Kawasaki Ninja intake throttle bodies, which is cool. ITBs on Ford Focus. And we have later MR2 coil on plug conversion. So, should be pretty good. All in all, it should still be right around or just above stock power still, which is fine because we don't need big power until we have a full cage and we do the cage swap, because that's still coming. Definitely still a thing. So hopefully there will be an actual installation process video coming out. I'm not going to say soon because I don't know when, but eventually. In other news, we got a body kit. The nice 2004 WRC wide body kit for the Ford Focus. That's been sitting here for like 4 months, something like that. And you might also notice that shorts are no longer being posted on this channel. We have a completely separate channel for our shorts, both mine and Proby's, and anyone else in the club who eventually joins the SDK Racing crew. Going forward from this Haltech install, we're of course, I need a prop. Going to be making these from this really not that good fiberglass into full carbon fiber. And to do that, this whole body kit needs work, which is actually going to be a gold mine for content. So that's the thing, at least. So we're going to go step by step on the whole carbon fiber mold making, down from repairing a substandard body kit panel all the way to the finished product. So stay tuned for that. I also have a steel skid pan over there for under the engine, which will start the process of making the full front aero along with the entire flat bellied under tray. So if you want to figure out how to do that on a Ford Focus, again, stick around. As for where the car is progress wise, we're really close to finishing the Haltech install, and we have a harness bar in there currently, which is good enough for shakedowns at autocrosses. We are not going to be road coursing this car until it is fully caged, which is the next step after the Haltech and every other little bit I want to do to it has been done. Because I have a small list of things I am going to be doing to it in this garage as opposed to the shop. So it should be good. A lot of content coming up. Stay tuned. And to wrap up this quick video, here is a clip of the Haltech booting up for the first time. So see you next time.
Ready? Yep.